Okay, so in this video what we're going to look at is quite a typical scenario for using the match function. Now you can use VLOOKUP for this as well, but I suppose the main difference between match and VLOOKUP is that match gives you a number. So for example, I have a list of products here, also under list A, and I have a list of the same products here, what I think are the same products here under list B. But I want to do a comparison. So the way I'm going to do that is with the match function. So I go up here to formulas, look up in reference, and I always tend to teach it this way from the point of view that I always think it gives you scaffolding. So my first thing is to identify, okay, what's like with like, which in this case is description in list A, description in list B. So I just take my first row here, and then I go down to my lookup array, and I highlight this column because this is where I want to find the comparison. You see I already get a number here, and I put in 0 because I want it to be an exact match. Okay. Now you can choose then 1 or -1 depending on if maybe you want to get kind of a number that's closer to it, on the higher side or on the low side, and I click OK. All right. So I see straight away I now have these ones where those ones are missing. Okay. And then I could do the same thing over here. Click here, look up in reference, match, click on this one, description, highlight my column here, do 0, and click OK. Okay. Now the main reason I want to show you this is that if you look here, what's generated is not a value but an actual number. So when we're using this function with the VLOOKUP in the next part of this blog post, you're going to see how I want it to generate a number instead. Okay. So hopefully that will be useful, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.